Hello, welcome to the Fraudulence Training Series. In this video, you will learn about the dashboard of Provider Relation Management System for admin side. We start by opening your preferred web browser. If you don't have a favorite web browser, we suggest that you use Firefox. We will log in into the Provider Relation Management System site at the URL fraudulence.com/messaging. Here you will be asked to log in. If you are not registered in our PRMS system, then you would have to register first as admin user. To log in, first type your email address with access rights as admin. Then type your password. Then enter the security code and click on the login button. This action will take you to the dashboard of PRMS. This dashboard is a little different from the other dashboards of Fraudulence, but share few common elements like Fraudulence logo on the upper left corner. You can access the main dashboard from anywhere by clicking on it. The logout option on the upper right corner. From here you can log out from the PRMS by clicking on it. Now let's see how this dashboard works. At the top, you can see the selected date against which the data is shown. You can select the date from the filter given here. You may select day, month or year, and the graph and stats given here will be updated. Next is the total number of providers who have been flagged as red against the selected date. Then comes the pending messages, which means the emails which have either not been replied yet or the emails which are new. Fourth one is the total red billed amount. This amount is the sum of all those claimed bills which have been flagged as red claims for the selected date. In the middle section, you will see a donut-shaped chart. Some parts of this chart can be red, yellow, and green, depending upon the selected algorithm. By default, the donut shows the stats of all the algorithms. You can see that each color-coded section of this donut is marked with percentages, which show the percentage of providers who are red, yellow, and green. In the center of the algorithm, you can see the total providers, total dollars billed, and total number of algos. If you click on any section of this donut, you can see a pop-up indicating the list of algorithms along with its stats. For example, if you click on the red section, you can see the list of all algorithms in which the providers are red. If you click on more details of any of these algorithms, you can see the second level of donuts which shows the stats of that algorithm. If you click on the back button, you will go back to the initial state of the dashboard. At any level, you can select the date and any particular algorithm. The donut will be displayed according to your filter. If you click on red, yellow or green section of this chart, you can see the providers list who are red, yellow and green. On the top right of this chart, you can see a button. On clicking this button, you can see the donut chart on the full screen. On the right side, you can see the statistics of the last week, which shows the total number of distinct red providers and the recovered money. Below this, you can see the list of latest messages. On clicking on any of these messages, you can redirect to that message. Now let me explain you about the left side menu. On the left side, we have the options, mailbox, watch behavior, tracking response, and settings. In the mailbox, you have the full email capability with the providers. It contains the entire conversation sent and received by the providers. From the watch behavior, you can see the fraudulence results as timeline for a particular provider. This provides an insight into the effectiveness of fraudulence to create any behavior change. In tracking response, you can see how many email alerts are sent, any response to an email alert, and any escalation or de-escalation of alerts. In settings section, you can set the notification options, which allow the fraudulence analyst to fine-tune the alerts. The detail of these sections are explained in other videos. Thank you.